Dear brothers, we are going to read the book Sanskrit Degree First Year, Semester 1. From this book, last time we read the Murkhataha, first part. That is, Murkha Brahmana Katha. Last time we are reading, but now Murkha Pandita Katha we are going to read. That is, कस्मिंश्चिदधिकदधिष्ठाने चत्वारो ब्राह्मणाः परस्परं मित्रत्वा मापन्ना पसन्ति स्म। बालभावे तेषां मतिरजायत। भोः देशान्तरं गत्वा विद्याया उपार्जनं क्रियते। परदेश। In some village, 4 Brahmins lived, becoming great friends. When they were young stage, they are very deep friends. They thought thus, as like, let us go to some other place and get educated. As like they are thinking. अदास्मस्मिन् दिवसे ते ब्राह्मणाः परस्परं निश्चयं कृत्वा विद्योपार्जनार्थं कान्यकुब्जे गताः। तत्र च विद्यामठे गत्वा पठन्ति। एवं 12 शताब्दानि यावदेकचित्ततया पठित्वा विद्याकुशलास्ते सर्वे संज्ञाताः। The next day, those Brahmins decided among themselves and went to Kanyakubja for studies. Or they went to a boarding school and study. Thus, having studied for 12 years with utmost concentration, they became scholars. Now they became as scholars. In the time, what they are doing, what are they thinking? ततस्तैस् चतुर्भिर्मिलितोक्तं पयं सर्वविद्यापारंगताः तद् उपाध्यायम् उत्कलापयित्वा स्वदेशे गच्छामः तदैवानुष्ठीयताम् इति उक्त्वा ब्राह्मणा उपाध्यायम् उकलापयित्वा अनुज्ञां लब्ध्वा पुस्तकानि नीत्वा प्रचलिता. After studies, they became as scholars. After time, they are thinking. Later, they assembled together and said to themselves, "We have become well versed in all branches of knowledge. We are getting all the knowledge, but hence let us inform our teacher and go to home." They approved it also, saying, "Let us do so." And having informed their teacher and having taken permission from him, they started talking their books. they are started taking their books. Afterwards, they are start to travel to their village. यावत् कच्छिन् मार्गं यान्ति तावद्द्वौ पन्थानौ समयातौ दृष्ट्वा उपविष्टाः सर्वे तत्रैकः प्रोवाच केन मार्गेण गच्छामः. Then they travelled some distance, and on seeing that there were two paths, they stopped there, and one of them asked, एतस्मिन् समये तस्मिन् पत्तने कच्छिद् वणिक् पुत्रो मृतः तस्य दाहाय महाजनो गतो भूत्. ततस् चतुर्णां मध्याद् एकेन पुस्तकम् अवलोकितं. महाजनो येन गतः स पन्थः इति तन्महाजनमार्गेण गच्छामः. तथा अदते पंडिता यावन्महाजनम् एलापकेन सह यान्ति तावद् रासभः कच्चित् तत्र श्मशाने दृष्टः अथ द्वितीयेन पुस्तकम् उद्घाट्यावलोकितम्. Here they are saw there are two paths, and they are thinking as like by which they shall we go. In the one person asked him. And also at that time, the son of the businessman in the nearby town died. So in that time, a person died. So a crowd went in a procession for his burial. They are going to the burial ground. All are to burial the person. Then one of those four consulted the book. When they are not able to, which is the way to them, they are thinking in the time they are looking the book, the guidance from the book. They are looking and decided. So let us follow the path. For considered, it is the way which many have followed. In this way, so many people are going, so it is the correct way to go for us. They are thinking. Who are going on the path, that is the correct way, they are thinking. But that is not correct. But so, let us follow the path of the crowd. They followed the crowd. As the scholars were going with the crowd, they followed the crowd. The persons, those who are going to the burial ground, they saw a donkey in the burial ground. కదురుతుంది కట్టేయలేదా? రొంప వచ్చేసింది. Then burial ground, they saw a donkey in the burial ground. Then the second one opened the book and read. Then where they have the suspension to take the diversion, they are looking at the guidance from the book. They are open the book and reading. Then what happened? Then उत्सवे व्यसने प्राप्ते दुर्भिक्षे शत्रु संख्यटे राजद्वारे श्मशाने च यस् तिष्ठति स बान्धवः. Is a relative who is with you during a celebration, difficultly drought, trouble with enemies at the entrance to the king's palace and in a burial ground. But in this way, they are having the troubling and doubts. So many doubts are coming for them. Difficulty thoughts are coming. Then they are thinking that they are seeing that person of that relative person and thinking as like tad aho ayam asmadiya bandhavah tatat kachit tasya grevayam lagati padau pakshalayati atha yavatte disham avalokanam kurvanti तावत् कश्चित् दुष्टो दृष्टः तैरुत्तम एतत् किम. Hence he is our kith. Then one of them clung to his neck, another washed its feet. Then as the scholars were looking either and either, they saw a camel. And तावत् तृतीयेन पुस्तकम् उद्घाट्योक्तं धर्मस्य त्वरिता गतिः तन् सूनम् एव धर्मं तावत् चतुर्थेनोक्तम् इष्टं धर्मेण योजयेत् अततैस् च रासभा उष्ट्रग्रीवायः बद्धः उष्ट्रग्रीवायां बद्धः. Then what is this? The third one then opened the book and said, Dharma has a quick stride, so this is Dharma. This is the Dharma. The fourth one said, one must unite the beloved with Dharma. Then they tied the donkey to the neck of the camel. They are tied the donkey to the neck of the camel. Both are now having the friends. They are thinking. A donkey and the camel, both are equal, they are thinking. But friends, both are friends, they are thinking, so they bind them together. तत्तु केनचित् तत् स्वामिनो रजकस्वाग्रे कथितं यावद् रजकस् तेषां मूर्खपण्डितानां प्रहारकरणाय समायातस् तावत् तेन प्रणस्ता. Then someone informed this to the washerman. Some persons are going to the house of the washerman and inform that news of the camel and the donkey is binded. Then who was its master? Who was its master? As the washerman came to beat the police scholars, they escaped. when they are informed the washerman, to the washerman, he came and beat the scholars. So they are beaten by him and ran away from that place. Then as they went a short distance, when they are going, running and running to a distance, they reached a river. Afterwards, tato yavad agre kichat stokam margam yanti tapat kasin nadi समासादिता तस्य जलमध्ये पलाच पत्रम आयातं दृष्ट्वा पंडितेनैकेनोक्तं. Then one of the scholars saw a palasa leaf, arati okay, leaf floating on the stream, that is floating on the stream, in the stream, and said, the leaves and fell in the river while he was being carried away by the stream. They are thinking the palasa is giving the relief to them from this river. They are thinking, but from this river they are thinking and agamishyati yat patram tan asmam tarayishyati etat kadayitva tat patrasyopari patito yavan sadya niyate tavattam niyamana manasma avalokhyanyena panditena kesantam grihitoktam. Then the members, this leap and fell in the river while he was being carried away by the stream. Another scholar saw him and catching hold of his hair said, they are sitting on the palasa, but it is what is that, filling in the river. So he is also going through the stream. When they are saying that person, another person catch that air and to carry to the out of the river. Then there a scholar will abandon half when everything is going to be lost. They are lost everything. सर्वनाशे समुन्नतने अर्धं त्यजति पंडितः अर्धेन कुरुते कार्यं सर्वनाशो हि दुस्सहः अत्युक्त्वा तस्य शिरोच्छेदो विहितः. They are thinking a scholar will abandon half when everything is going to be lost. Everything is going to last. They are thinking to save the half. They are thinking that with half one can manage. With half one can manage. But total loss is unbearable, saying so he cut his head. When everything is lost from that stream, they are not able to save them, save the person, then they are going to cut that head. the head is cut by the person. So one person is died in that state. अद्स्तैः च पश्चात् गत्वा कच्चित् ग्राम आसादितः केऽपि ग्रामीणैर् निमन्त्रितः पृथग् गृहेषु नीतः ततः एकस्य सूत्रिका घृतमण्डसंयुता भोजने दत्ता ततो विचिन्त्य पण्डितेनोक्तं यत् दीर्घसूत्री विनश्यति एवम् उक्त्वा भोजनं परित्यज्य गतः. Then later moved along and reached a village. There afterwards last one person, they are reached one village. They were welcomed by the villagers. The villagers are coming and welcome to them, and also and were taken a different houses. They are villagers are taking them separate houses. One person, one house, one person, one house, one person, one house. They are taking them 3 persons. One of them was offered vermicelli or jalebi. Vermicelli means jalebi, you know, a sweet, and full of ghee in meals. One person having that. The scholar thought and said, one having a long thread will perish, saying so. He rejected the meal and went away. One person saw the a thread in the meal, so he is not able to take that. He is leave that meal and go out, saying so. He rejected the meal and went away. परित्यज्य गतः, भोजनं परित्यज्य गतः. आफ्टर्वर्ड्स् कथा द्वितीयस्य मण्डकादत्ताः तेनायुक्तम् अतिविस्तारविस्तीर्णं तद्भवेन चिरायुषं सा शभोजनं त्यक्त्वा गतः. अथ तृतीयस्य वाटिका भोजने दत्ता तत्रापि तेन पण्डितेनोक्तं छिद्रेष्व अनर्था बहुली भवन्ति. एवं ते त्रयोपि पण्डिताः क्षुधाक्षामं खण्डाः लोके हास्यमानान् ततः स्थानात् स्वदेशं गताः. To the second person, one person is run away, go out, and the second person having the food another house, in the another house. The second one roti was offered. A second person having the roti offered. He also said that which is very large and expands will not bestow longevity. he also left this meal and went away. The person is also leave that meal and went away because of the roti is not good for the eat. He is saying. And also the third one was offered vada in the meals. The third one having the vada. Vada mean you know? Okay. Vada in the meals. There also that scholar remarked. Also he is remarking that vada is not good for the eat. There will be difficulties if three are wholes. Thus, all the three scholars suffered from the hunger. By the way, three are suffered by the hunger. And being flogged at by the people, went to their place from there. From there, they went to their houses. They are not taking any meal. The villagers are sending them out. Afterwards, they are going away. अपि शास्त्रेषु कुशला लोकाचार विवर्जिता सर्वे ते हास्यातुं यान्ति तथा ते मूर्खः पंडितः. By the way, even scholars who are experts in sciences but are they devoid of worldly intelligence will be logged at just as the Polish scholars were laughed at. So, we are going to study any scholars, but general knowledge is not there. They are not having the shape for the lives. Okay? Okay, the lesson is over. Okay? In some village, 4 Brahmins lived, becoming great friends. Once in their childhood, they decided to go to some place and study the scriptures. They went to Kanyakubja for study. There, having studied for 12 years without most concentration, they become scholars. Afterwards, later they assembled and said to themselves, "We have become well versed in all branches of knowledge. Hence, let us inform our teacher and go home." They are asking the permission from their teacher, and they are go to the home. They took permission from their teacher and taking their books started for their town. When they traveled some distance, and on seeing that there were 2 paths, they stopped. One of them asked, "By which way shall we go?" He is asking. At that time, the son of a businessman in the nearby town died, and a crowd gathered for his burial. Then one of those 4 consulted the book. It is the way which many has followed. When the many people are going on the way, that is the correct way, they are thinking. And also, the scholars, while following the crowd, saw a donkey in the burial ground. When they are followed that crowd persons, they saw a donkey at the burial ground. Then the second one opened the book and read. He is a relative who is with you during a celebrations. They are thinking this is a relative person to the burial person. They are thinking relative is as a relative different. Difficulty, drought, trouble with enemies at the entrance to the king's palace and in a burial ground. So it is coming to the burial ground. They are thinking. Hence is our kith, and then one of them clung to this neck, another washed its feet. So one person clung his neck. One person is going and touch that neck and cleaning. Is showing, giving. Another washed its feet. Another person is washing the feet of the donkey. Okay, the pandits are going to serve to that donkey. Then, as the scholars were looking either and thither, they saw a camel. One of them said, another person, when they are servicing to that donkey, another animal is coming to there. They are saying that that is camel, a camel. What is this? They are thinking. The third one then opened the book and said, when they have the suspension, what is that? They are not knowing what is there. That instance, they are looking at the book and taking the guidance. What is the Dharma has a quick stride. So this is Dharma. This is Dharma. The fourth one said, one must unite the beloved with Dharma. So we are going to combine them together. That is the Dharma. So we are going to combine them. When they tied the donkey to the neck of the running camel, as the master of the donkey came to beat the foolish scholars, then the washerman is coming to there, and the foolish scholars, they escaped. Then they reached a river. One of them scholars saw a palasa leaf floating in the stream and said, the leaf which comes will saw us, saying, so he jumped on the leaf and fell in the river. He jumped on the palasa leaf. The leaf is going to the into the water. So he is floating in that waters. Then he carried away by the stream. Another scholar saw him and catching hold of his hair said. Another person saw him when he is floating on the river waters. He is going and catching his hairs. All person is going into the waters. After the hair is the head is looking, then he is catch that hairs and took. Then they tied the donkey, not donkey. Another the scholar saw him and catching a hold of his hair said, a scholar will abandon half when everything is going to be lost. So the person is not able to come out. It is not able to save him. So then he is catching that hairs and they are thinking, when we are not able to save him, we are cutting that head, only the save for him, and they are thinking. Okay? With half, one can manage, but total loss is unbearable. Saying so, he cut the letter's head. They are cutting that head and they are coming out. Later they moved along and reached a village. They are coming to a village. 4 persons are going to that scholars today study, but 3 persons are coming now. They were welcomed by the villagers and when taken to different houses. One of them was offered vermicelli or jalebi full of ghee in meals. So the scholar thought that said one having a long thread will perish. Saying so, he rejected the meal and went away. To the second, one roti was offered. He also said that which is very large and expands will not bestow longevity. He also left his meals and went away. The third one was offered vada in the meals. There also that scholar remarked, there will be difficulties if there are holes. Thus all the 3 scholars suffered from hunger and being laughed at by the people went to their place from there. This is the story of the police persons of the parents, Brahmin people.